What's up, everybody? My name is Mackenzie Turley. I'm the creator and founder of Invisible Bead Extensions, and today I want to break down exactly how to wash your IBE. All you're going to need for this is something to fasten your hair because you're going to be doing a little bit of prep work before you even get in the shower to wash your hair. So I'm wearing 2.5 rows of Invisible Bead Extensions. So what I like to do to prep before I wash my hair is I will separate right above my bottom row. This can be rough sectioning. It does not have to be anything fancy. You really can just run your fingers across here. And the point of this is to separate your rows because it is a lot of hair and sometimes it's hard to really get things clean, especially along that bottom weft line if you have multiple rows. It's also hard to section out when you're in the shower and your hair is wet and sticking together. So I like to do this first before I get in. So again, rough section, then what I do is just take this and secure just like that. And I'm gonna turn around and show you what the back is looking like. Okay, I wanna show you real quickly so you can see I do have 2.5 rows, like I said. I have a nape row right here, which is just like a little small, maybe 5-inch section. And then I do have another full row right here. So I've split, I have one row of my natural hair on top, then I have this right here. So I will get in the shower and what I will do is I will get this wet first. Then I will take about 1/4 of my Goldilocks Signature Moisturizing Shampoo and I will start to rub it through this way. The main thing you want to know is that you absolutely can use your hands to get in there and rub along the weft line. I will take my thumb and my second finger and I will start to massage the shampoo right into the weft line that way. This is exactly what the row looks like. I'm about 1 to 2 weeks grown out from my last IBE install. But again, I will take that product and I will work it in right along the weft line. Do not be afraid to get this part clean. It is okay to really work through it, be scrubbing your scalp, and you want to focus that shampoo right along the weft line. So I will do that. I will rinse it all out completely. Then I will take down this hair and I'm gonna repeat the same exact process. So I'll let everything down and then I will re-wet again at this point. Obviously this has probably gotten wet in the shower, but I will get this all wet and then I will again take 1/4 size of the Signature shampoo and start to work it through doing the exact same thing along this weft line. Now, if you have a lot of hair, if you're naturally blessed and gifted with thickness of hair, you may want to take what's above your top row and section this out and wash in 3 sections. If you feel like you don't have, too much hair up here and it's not too hard to still access and scrub this weft line, then it's okay to just do it all together. So I'll scrub that. I will do the same thing. I'll work all along that weft line using my 2 pinchers here. Then I'll rinse everything out. And that is when I go through and I apply all of the conditioner. So once I have everything rinsed out, I'm going to get the conditioner and I'm going to apply that all together. So I've shampooed in steps, everything rinsed. Now I'm going to apply that conditioner and I like to keep my hair forward just as you see it here. I kind of put the conditioner in my hands, putting it on 2 hands, and then I grab here and I work down this way lightly. And then I will go and do this with conditioner on one side and this as well, just working it through, making sure that I grab my natural hair around my face as well, but I don't want to get up into the root section. Okay, you do not need to condition your roots. Conditioner is really made for the mids and ends of your hair, so focus on about your jawline down. That's going to be the best way to do it. Then what I like to do is I actually use a brush in the shower while the conditioner is on. I like to use a wire bristle brush and I will start at the bottom and I do this gently. Again, you have to remember that when you're brushing your hair, when it's wet, it is in a more fragile state. However, because you have the slip of the conditioner, it actually is a really great way to detangle and make sure that the conditioner is evenly applied while you're in the shower. So I will just start like this and I will just lightly start working up my hair strand. Again, this is while it's wet, the conditioner is in, and it really works through really nicely. Do that on the other side, make sure everything's just nice and coated. Then depending on whether I'm doing a conditioner or deep conditioning treatment, I will just let it sit for anywhere from, a couple minutes with the normal conditioner up to 15 minutes if I'm using a deep conditioner. And then I will rinse everything out. Check out part 2 where I explain exactly what I like to use on my hair after I get out of the shower.